Welcome to our channel. Today we how to request replacement Delta dental insurance card guide step by step clearly. To request a replacement Delta dental insurance card, begin by visiting the Delta Dental website. Look for the Member Services section on the home page. Select Request a replacement card from the options available. If you are not logged in, sign into your member account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you may need to register for one by providing your personal details. Once logged in, locate the replacement card request form. Fill out the required information, including your full name, address, and policy number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid delays. After completing the form, review your information for correctness. Submit the form by clicking the designated button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. If applicable, note the estimated time for card processing and delivery. If you prefer, you can also contact Delta Dental's customer service by phone for assistance. Have your policy information ready when calling for quicker service. You may request a replacement card through the mobile app if you have it installed. Open the app and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Member Services section within the app. Follow the prompts to request your replacement card. After placing your request, monitor your email for updates regarding your new card. Once your new card arrives, verify that all information is correct. If there are any discrepancies, contact customer service immediately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.